Hello, today I'm in Lexus CT 200h. In this video I'll show you how to check map version and how to update it. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display and go to navigation. Enter map data, and right here is your map version. To update it, make sure that you've got latest map version installed on the external drive, connected to USB port in your car, and then go to data update. The update will start automatically when it finds the update on the external drive. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.